This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Kathy Stouffer. Perfectly set back off the road down a paved driveway for ultimate privacy, this picturesque estate, a modern farmhouse, sits on 50 rolling acres. The pictures tell the story: exquisite, luxury home with high ceilings, custom cabinetry, radiant floor heat and beautiful finish work. Separate home office / bonus room with kitchen / private bath / play area and theater room, complete with motorized chairs. 3-bay shop, 2-bedroom ADU and enough acreage and usable land with endless possibilities. So many options to build your own covered arena and barn plus adequate pasture space to fence and cross fence, 45 usable acres on this estate. Dream big here. Quiet, peaceful, country setting and yet easy access to I-5 and Canada to the north. For more information, review the details below.